Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to learn how to write an appeal letter for visa refusal. What is an appeal letter for visa refusal? An appeal letter for visa refusal is a written response to a decision that expresses your desire for a different outcome about your visa being denied. In addition to stating why you're questioning the decision, an appeal letter is an opportunity to share why you believe it was incorrect and suggest a remedy you feel would be fairer. Here, writing practices will show you how to write an appeal letter for visa refusal. First of all, write the date of the letter. And then, write the recipient's details. As you are addressing this letter to embassy office, you need to write it correctly. Write the immigration officer as the addressee. And then, write the embassy office, in this case as Germany Embassy. And, write the address including the city, state, and the zip code. Now, you may write the subject of the letter, which is an appeal letter against visa refusal. Don't forget, write details about your visa application such as the number, the date of submission, and the date of denial. It will help the officer to process your visa approval faster. Now, you may open the letter with Dear Sir or Madam as you don't know the officer name. In the first paragraph, write that this appeal letter is about visa refusal. You need to mention the date you submitted the visa and where you sent it. Add more details that you have fulfilled all documents needed and resend the copies with this appeal letter. In the second paragraph, tell the officer where did you get the refusal letter. Besides, you need to mention the issue that made your visa refused. In this example, my visa is refused because of funds in my bank account that is categorized not enough. Tell how urgency it is to get your visa approved soon. You need to also give solution towards the previous issue. In this example, I provide another bank account with a lot of money. After mentioning that you have solved the issue, now you may ask the officer to reconsider the decision about approving your visa. In the third paragraph, you have to mention the date that you have to leave. It will be the deadline for both you and the officer. Again, tell how urgency it is to get your visa approved as soon as possible. For example, you may have to pay high amount of money because of penalty for the cancelled flight and accommodation plans. You have to really show the urgency in this paragraph. And the last paragraph, you need to mention that all documents needed are submitted. And you can give your personal contact like phone number and email address at the end of the letter. Say that you are looking forward the response. Now, you can end the letter with best regards or sincerely, add your signature and full name. So, that's how you write the appeal letter for visa refusal. Good luck.